See you at the crossroads. That's right, we are here at Worldwide Technology Raceway. This is round 5 of the Formula Drift Pro Championship. Let's send it! Look out, here we go. Shanahan Castro, Ireland versus Dominican Republic. Oh, that back right corner, he very well might have a D-bead. The tire is off, that's gonna definitely hurt. Adam LZ goes hard with that BMW. Ben Hobson now transitions out. Oh! Holy cow, that is far from breezy. Woof, door-to-door salesman, the shadow. Everywhere Gucci went, he was right there. Now he drops into formation. Brandon Sorensen. He was gonna loop it. He was gonna loop it. Contact was made. Look at this all-Irish battle. James Dean, he's knocking on his door. Hey, you want what I'm selling? I'm cooking it up right now. Whoa, aggressive initiation. Some gangster backwards entry in the chase by Freddie. And there we go. Oh, buddy! Adam LZ gets up on the wall. Holy cow.
That's a lot of damage.
Let's make sure he's okay. Yeah, there we go. Adam, double thumbs up. Oh, man, right in the line. They got hung up. Frederick Osbo, Manoa. Now into that second outside zone. Looks like he's mimicking the angle. Well done by Manoa.
Oh, my God.
Hero Manoa gets the win and is going to the finals. The kid versus James the Machine Dean. He sticks it to the wall into that first outside zone. James puts it right on the line. Manoa dives in. They cross the finish line. Your winner is James the Machine Dean. Hero Manoa gets second place, the youngest ever to podium in Formula Drift history.
Thank you so much.